Will from Wistoria One and Sword limiter off. I love this. This was cool. This is like a good magic show. They're rare enough. Free run's good, but yeah, I like this one. There's a lot of action in this one. And this is like Ultra Ego Super Saiyan for magic. So let's try this. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil. Use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. Start with his eyes. Big, one of those animes with like big eyelashes and big spiky eyelashes. So we'll do the curve shape first, right? So center point of my page about here. We're about halfway on my page. And we'll go up and across. And we'll take our time. Like that, right? So that's roughly the curve. And then we have like a big spike here. Right, of course this will all be colored black. And then he has a big spike coming out from this, like a massive one there. And it'll go underneath his hair. Sorry, my phone is pinging. I'm so professional. Should have had that off. And then we'll go this way. And I think it goes underneath his eyebrow, but we'll do it like that. And then we'll go down. And we get two more spikes. So like one here, and then that's the front one, right? And of course these are colored all black inside. Okay. Maybe a bit spikier. Right, so his bottom eyelashes, they're unusual. So we've got like a little spike here. And that's just white inside. And then this curves this way. And then sometimes there's another one, but it changes position. So like, I'm gonna put it here. And there's like another line there. Sometimes that thing is here. So I don't know. Like I'm looking at a couple of different images of his eyes. So this changes its position, which is strange. All right, so then big purple eyes. Coming down there. And then his pupil, it's kind of slender. It's kind of thin. There. And then he has like a couple of spikes that come down. Like in there somewhere. Right, and then his eyebrow. So we'll do like this. Check mark, and then we'll go up this way. Like that. And then they're gray or silver. So then that goes up and down. And then we have a bit of an eyelid line in there. We'll go over and do the other eye. Same thing. You're about to see the white part of his eye. So that's roughly the distance you want to go over to start the next one. Not the eyelashes, the white part. So if you measured this, go over that much, you start your other one there. So you can fit the white of his eye in between. And then we'll curve this over again. About the same size. And then do our spike down that way. And then we have the one that spikes out, back in. The one there, and then bring it down towards the front. And then we just color it black. And again on the bottom, so we'll go with this like sort of little spike here, which is white, and then the one that's black will be somewhere over here. And then big purple iris, curved lines coming down from there. And then his pupil, kind of a long, thin one. There, and then spikes. They're almost thicker at the top. He does have like dark shadows at the top of his eye as well. And then the eyebrow check mark goes up, down. There. Eyelid lines. Like so. So, typical of anime anyway, this anime, we just have nostrils, no nose drawn in. And then his mouth is even like just 3 dots, kind of. So like, this is like for the corner parts. And then there's just one in the middle. Looks like anyway. And it looks like that's all they kind of do for his mouth. Right, his chin, pointy. Just there. So jaw then. Out like this, like a big V. We're kind of like top lip sort of area. We change our direction and go up towards those eyelashes. Just about there. Right, so the rest is all about the hair. So we'll go big long hair spike. Right, and then just here. Another one. And then big ones that come down the center. This even goes right up to nearly to the top of his head. And then back down even. And then in here. Loads of hair spikes now sticking out this side as well. Another 2 up here. Down. And then there's another one this side. Okay, so he's got some ears in here. Like say his earlobes are here, kind of. You can see a bit of them there. Maybe like a bit of his ear in there. And then he's got some more hair in behind his ears. There's big long hair spikes as well. Down there behind his neck. So he does have like a big long that comes back around, like the energy is kind of blowing his hair around, but we'll get his neck and stuff in first, right? So he's got like a collar. His like white collar. It goes down underneath his black strap thing. There's like a sword here. You can put the sword in, you know, he's holding his sword sort of up. If you want to put that in, you can. Will I? Yeah, we'll do it. Just the point of it. This is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want. So he's holding it there. Right, and then collar that way. And like his shoulders go this way. And then he's got these golden straps, right, that go out from here. They go across his shoulders, and there's like a medallion in the center that connects them. There. Then we'll do the same thing. We'll just go out this way. And then his black cloak sort of just kind of bumps out, down, goes off the page there. That way. There's like some fold lines and stuff all here. It's like another, is that another yellow piece? Yeah, it's like another piece of his cape going that way. Right, and then in here there's some details, just like some string of his medallion, his shirt going down. And I think we can just see like his arm sort of going down that way. And then I think this is a black line in there. Right, and then there's just this long piece of hair then that like swirls out around this way. And then I think it's just like the spikes out here then. And then every now and then we'll have like some electricity just around. there he is. Will, limiter off from Wistoria 1 and Sword. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.